Hi, Kevin. Thanks for sending in your email. I see here that you're asking for how to get started with drones. You've got no experience with drones, but wish to take nature video, which will be fun, and possibly be a remote pilot. Would it just take the advanced course or start with the basic course first? So the way the drone licensing or drone certification process in Canada works is it depends first off on how much the drone weighs. So if you have a drone that weighs under 250 grams, then you don't need to have a pilot certificate and you don't need to register the drone. If the drone weighs more than 250 grams, up to 25 kilograms, and then it starts to matter where you live. So if you live in a rural area, away from airports and away from people for the most part, then you can get away with flying just a basic certificate. If you live in the city near an airport, so within 3 nautical miles of an airport or 5 kilometers, and you find yourself flying close to people all the time, so less than 100 feet away from people, then you need to have an advanced pilot certificate. Also, if you live in an area where there's controlled airspace above you. So the difference is the basic pilot certificate, we have our course it's a 3-hour online on-demand course, and that'll get you ready for taking the Transport Canada Small Basic Exam. You go through our course, do our sample test prep, and get ready for the exam. And then you go to Transport Canada's website and you write the exam. It's $10. Once that's done and you pass, then you'll have a basic pilot certificate, and then you would register your drone and you're good to go for rural areas. If you want to make money flying your drone, you can use either a basic or an advanced. If you decide that you want to go and make like this your career, then it's a good idea to get your advanced because you're not limited in where you can or can't fly your drone in regards to airspace and people and airports. So in order to get your advanced, you don't need to get your basic first. You can start with your advanced certificate. Our $5.99 advanced pilot bundle includes all the ground school, the sample test prep, the SOP guide, and it also includes the in-person flight review, which is the second half of the certification process. So you'll do the ground school, do all our sample test prep, then you go and write the small advanced Transport Canada pilot exam. It's also $10. Once you pass that, you'll be issued a basic pilot certificate, which lets you fly and get used to flying your drone in an area away from people, away from airports, and away from controlled airspace. Once you're confident in your flying ability and you've got all your standard operating procedures and checklists ready and all your documentations ready, give us a call and we would book you for your flight review. Your flight review is kind of like an in-person practical knowledge and skills test. So you would sit with one of our flight reviewers across Canada and we would quiz you on your knowledge. And then you go out and fly for a little bit and you show us that you can safely fly your drone. Once you've done that and you're successful in your flight review, we then send your results to Transport Canada. You'll pay a $50 processing fee and you're issued an advanced pilot certificate. And now you can basically fly your drone anywhere in Canada as long as you go through the process of getting approval to fly in that airspace. If you're looking to do nature video, we also have a pro photo and video course that you might want to consider that actually has the fundamentals of videography and photography when it comes to using a drone. And it's a great way to kind of kick off any kind of career efforts for making video from the air. So yeah, basically you've got 3 choices. You can fly a sub 250 drone, you can fly basic if you live away from people and airports, or advanced if you want to make this a career and have flexibility to fly anywhere in Canada. Hopefully that helps. Take a look at our website or give us another email if you have any more questions. Thank you.